Om. Okay, now the way that we Om on paper is that we use this or this. If you've got colors, use that. If you've got paints, use that. But most people have at least this, pencil and pen. So if you can do that, if you got one of those and you got some of this, then you're good to go to get some of that out. Okay? Feelings and emotions, what we've been talking about, turns into expressive art. Creativity expressed in a visual format. That's what I'm gonna show you what. Basically, it comes down to doodling. Who doesn't doodle? Everyone doodles. You're gonna do maybe like a doodle on steroids in here. So I'm gonna turn the camera around onto my paper. I'm gonna kind of walk you through on what I do, and maybe you could do the same thing, and it might lighten your load inside here and here a little more. You got a pencil, you got paper, you can make art, and just have to turn off the judging mind. Let yourself do it. Yes. Don't say, oh, this is bad, and this is, try this, try art, try to get something out that you've been feeling, your emotions, put it out so you can see it, and if it's in line and shade form, great, that's fine. It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter if it's good. It doesn't matter if you can't draw a cube. It doesn't matter if you can't draw a sphere yet. It doesn't matter if you can't draw a tree well, so that looks realistic. This is not about that. This is about you making art from the inside. There, it's a curve, but it has a little in and out. And I'm going to go to the point, and I'm going to go in and out and follow the curve. Now it's looking kind of cobra-like, but it's not anything. I'm going to fill it in with zigzag because I'm feeling frustrated. But then I've got that out, so now I want to just fill in a nice space. Just follow the music. I love the sprinkler, it's so relaxing. And curly cues around and around and around and around and around, and it feels good to do it, and it feels good to do it, and it feels so good to do it. I don't care what it looks like, I'm just doing it. And then if I want to make it something out of it, I can go and fill in some space. Now this is where you can just kind of zone out, do some coloring, find the spaces that you like, highlight them with some shade, some fine shade. It's cool here in the shade. Yes, relax. So I'm not showing you what to draw. I'm not showing you how to draw something specific. I'm telling you how to feel your way through art and just make art. And if you turn that judging mind off, you will let yourself make some art. And eventually, you'll get to the point where you actually like what you do. You'll feel good about it because you have practiced and you've been drawing lines that go in and out and controlling them and getting better with them and making better decisions that you like. Just keep going. There's a whole world of opportunity out there to make art. And it's neither bad nor good because it's just art. Your art, by the way. You see?